If you've tried the courses, you've watched the YouTube videos, you've posted the content, maybe even tried ads, and you're still not making money online, it's not because you're lazy. It's not because you're not serious. It's because you're building the wrong business for the wrong people, and nobody showed you how to fix it. So let me break it down. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Ronnie, aka Dad Learns Money. And if this is your first time seeing me, just know I don't do fluff. I keep it real. I've been where you are. And if you're tired of spinning your wheels and not seeing results, this video might be the wake-up call you've been needing. Here's the deal. Most people struggling online, it's not that they don't want it bad enough. It's that they're following strategies meant for somebody else's audience, somebody else's personality, and somebody else's journey. You ever copy what a guru says, post the content, build the funnel, do everything right, and still end up with crickets? It's not your fault. You're out here trying to fit into somebody else's blueprint instead of building a business that's designed around you. And if no one's ever told you that, let me be the first. You don't need more hustle. You don't need another 7-day challenge. You need to stop building someone else's business and start building yours for your people. See, this is why most courses don't work. Now, let me say this. Most of those one-size-fits-all courses, they don't fail because they're bad. They fail because they skip step 1, helping you figure out what the heck you're actually good at and how to turn that into a product. They give you the steps, but not the self-awareness. So you end up building a funnel around something that doesn't fit you at all. You try to be consistent, but it feels like work because it's not you. You burn out, you doubt yourself, and you start thinking you're not cut out for this. But you are. You just haven't been shown the right way for you. So this is the first step nobody taught you. Before you build another landing page, before you buy another course, before you post one more video, you need to answer these 3 things. What's a skill you already have that can solve a real problem? Who are the people that need that problem solved and would vibe with you specifically? And how do you turn that into a simple digital product that they'll gladly pay for? Most people skip this step and wonder why they can't get sales. This is the step. Let me tell you about 2 of my students real quick. Gift went through this process, figured out what skills she could package, and made $2K in her first 2 weeks. Sonny, same thing. He made $1,700 in just a few weeks. And here's the kicker. They didn't run ads. They didn't have big followings. They didn't even have fancy websites. They just stopped trying to be like everyone else and finally started building something that actually felt like them. That's when everything clicked. So if you've been sitting there wondering, okay, but what can I sell? Stop guessing. I made something for you that's 100% free. It's called the Skill Finder Framework, and it walks you through exactly how to find a skill you already have, match it to the right audience, and create a digital product around it. People are literally shocked at what they discover from this thing, and it only takes a few minutes, and it'll give you clarity on what direction to finally run with. Now, if you want to get access to that, you're going to find the link to that Skill Finder Framework right below this video in the YouTube description. And make sure that you don't skip it. Now, in the next video, I'm breaking down how to turn that skill into a digital product that sells, even while you sleep. So if you're tired of playing small and ready to build something that works, even when you're not working, make sure you watch that next video.